welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cleaning my so messy room. So literally I got a new bed, just had a mattress standalone there. So I start by taking out stuff out of my room to make space for it to fit in here. So I took the carpet out, took the lamp out. So I'm bringing in the bed frame in. Need to clear out all these bits so to make a big space to fit in the bed, because I got a king size bed. So clearing out these bulky bits in the middle of the room. And sweep the floor with this broom. Is our traditional broom from Nigeria. I love this broom. It's so easy for me. So my big daughter helped me in bringing the bed frame up in my room. Oh yes, we had that strong. So we are assembling the bed frame. It's quite a hard work, but yeah, we gotta do it. Okay, all done now. So I have the mattress on top of the bed. My daughter is exhausted. She decided to carry our baby sister sitting on the floor, really. So back to the tidying up. I'm taking out the pillowcases, duvet, bringing out the clean ones. Now changing the bedsheet. Now I'm just doing some arranging, wiping and dusting and cleaning stuff around the room. Cleaning my wardrobe mirror. My wardrobe is in a wrong position in my room because it's so huge and heavy. I can't move it, so it stays there. So now I am moving out the stuff that is not needed in my room, just to have a clear heart really. Straightening the cover my daughter messed up. And lastly, fixing my picture frame. We'll be hanging it on the wall. So that's it really. So here is my finishing look of my tidied room. Is looking so fresh and clean now compared to before. I am absolutely loving my room, especially the bed. So lovely, guys. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.